Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack Magazine, coming at you from IBIE Educate the day before the show floor of IBIE 2022 officially opens. Today's top IBIE takeaway comes from a session I attended called Consumer Trends and Insights for the Bakery World, presented by DeeAnn Roullier, Insights Leader of Cargill. DeeAnn shared so many incredible insights, but the one I wanted to talk to you about today has to do with the natural space. Organic and non-GMOs specifically saw double-digit growth during the pandemic, mostly because consumers became so concerned with their health and wellness and turned to food to improve their health. Now, in 2022, we all know that inflation is causing consumers to change the way they spend those grocery dollars, and I was concerned that organic would have a negative impact because of that. However, when I asked that question, DeeAnn reminded everyone that in previous recessions, organic has been pretty well protected from a severe negative impact. So even though we might see that growth slow down, organic will remain a strong category.